Coming soon to me, no parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can leave.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Amanda hair. Right, got the packaging is this drawstring bag. Let's see what is on the inside. I got a pair of lashes, cute. And then I also got this elastic headband. Alright, and then there's this information card which they folded like an envelope. So cute, and it's branded, of course, just with information about cashback and their social media, stuff like that. I got a pair of HD wig caps, and then finally we got the wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is today's wig, right? So gorgeous, by the way, right? So you can wear this with glueless. They state it as glueless, and it is a loose wave that they stated it as. Lace front is a 13 by 4 lace front, transparent lace, that is transparent HD, and it is 30 inches long. I'm gonna put the specific density in the description box, so please check that. They did refer to it that it has curtain bangs, and it definitely is so nicely layered. Love that. So you don't know, that nice center part vibe, and it is so soft, guys, and full. Oh my gosh, it's so full. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to install it. Dang, I'm gonna do a really nice install today with this. As I said, you could go ahead and wear it glueless. We're gonna slip it on and you're gonna see. But yeah, so the inside of the cap looks like this. They did add this elastic bag, which is adjustable, so you can make it as tight or loose as you want. There's a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, 1 in the back, 3 in the front, and this is how the lace looks. You could go in and bleach it because it's not bleached, but you don't know, we have ways to go around. You can use a foundation or some powder if you don't have the time in the world to go ahead and bleach it right away. So yeah, that's how it looks. It's pre-plucked in the front lightly, so you could give it more graduation if you want as well, and it's a natural 1B color. So that's the vibe. It's bouncy. I love the movement, and I'm so excited to go ahead and jump into this install. Let's go.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can leave it.
Looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do, because I want to show you guys that you can wear this glueless, I'm actually going to move on to installing it with some glue, because I want to wear it for a prolonged period, so that I don't have to take it off every day. But I'm gonna show you that you can also wear it glueless. So I'm just gonna cut away the extra lace, like the full thing. Well, first cut away around the ear portion so that it can sit more comfortably.
This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
And then you can see that it's a little casty in the front, so I'm just gonna get my powder to tap that out. You guys know how it works.
Can't keep this for long. All that's going on, we're in a
I'm just gonna lay the top and kind of redirect how these curls are falling in the front. And it comes all the way down to my hips. It's so long. Let's say 30 inches, and it's giving just that.
Secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger sheet, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? In my eyes. We both know it's wrong.
This is how the hair looks. Like, I didn't have to go over it. It comes so perfectly curled. I just went over the bangs a little, and this is completely glueless. Completely glueless. What I told you. So you have the option of wearing the wig like this. Okay, now is the second segment of this installation. So I'm gonna apply some glue to let it stay down for a while, and you guys saw it with a center part. I'm gonna give it a side part. So I'm pretty much done with installing it now. All I'm doing is making the parting more precise. I really love it. It was so easy to install. You guys saw it for yourself, you know. And I'm so happy I could give you the option to also wear it glueless, because it is a glueless wig. It's so cute. Such a cute install. I don't like it, came perfectly curled and everything. It's so cute. But this is it. That's it. All I need to do is go ahead and let it down. And it's not a lot of shedding, So I absolutely love that. Really and truly, it's not a lot of shedding. It laid flat, so I'm happy about that. It's really a gorgeous wig. I 10 out of 10 would recommend if you're looking for the perfect like 30-inch loose wave kind of like vibe. And it's layered so nicely. I didn't have to go in and further layer it or anything. It comes curled so nicely. It's like, oh my god, 10 out of 10. Given, let me know what you guys think. So full, no see-through vibe. It's very full. Like the density is top tier. It is top tier. Amanda here, you did that. You did that, because I love this. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. This is stunning. It really is. Truly is. So I need you guys to go ahead and check out my description box because the direct link to this wig is down below. So if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, that is down there, as well as all the specifications, any deals that they might have is listed. And I am pleased. I'm beyond pleased. The versatility of this wig, top tier. Glueless. It looked amazing glueless, and then, you know, for long term where it's also really easy to install. No complaints here, none. Very minimal shedding, and I love that. That's another indication of how great the quality will be and like how lasting it will be. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative. If you like the look, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on the stuff.